In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your voice in the Suno AI music generator. Whether you're a musician looking to expand your creative toolkit or simply curious about AI-powered music production, this step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly blend your vocals with Suno's innovative technology. Let's get started by logging into your Suno AI music account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up for one before proceeding. Once you've logged in, the next step is to locate and click on the Create button. This will redirect you to the creation interface where the magic happens. Now that you're in the creation section, it's time to tap on Custom. This option allows you to personalize your music generation experience, tailoring the final output to suit your specific needs and artistic style. Following that, click on Audio, a crucial step that facilitates the integration of your voice into the music-making process. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can either select Record to start recording a new voice clip, or, if you already have a voice clip on your device, simply upload it. To record, ensure your microphone is functioning correctly. And when ready, hit Start Recording. Share your thoughts or vocalize musical phrases until you're satisfied, and then stop the recording. If you're opting to upload an existing clip, navigate to the Upload section, select your file, and it will be incorporated into Suno's system. This flexibility ensures that regardless of your setup, you'll have a hassle-free experience adding your vocals. With your voice clip ready, the next step is quite exciting. You'll introduce the lyrical component. Enter your prompt for lyrics in the designated text box. Be as descriptive or abstract as you desire. This is your chance to experiment and push the boundaries of conventional songwriting. After setting your lyrical intentions, it's time to move on to the style settings. Here, you'll enter your prompt for musical styles. Whether you're inspired by jazz, hip-hop, or pop, detail your stylistic preferences to guide Suno in shaping the backdrop for your vocals and lyrics. When you're satisfied with your inputs, go ahead and click Create. This is where the Suno AI takes charge, synthesizing your voice, lyrics, and style prompts into a unique musical track. Lastly, Suno will use your recorded vocal as a foundation for the entire track. Using advanced AI algorithms, it beautifully blends your voice into a fully produced piece of music, ready for you to share or iterate upon. And there you have it. You've successfully used your voice to create music with Suno AI. This cutting-edge tool empowers artists and enthusiasts alike to explore new musical horizons. So keep experimenting, and who knows, your next masterpiece might just be a few clicks away. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating.